So next question, cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta upon sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta plus cot theta is equal to 0. So let's have a look at this question. So cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta, cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta upon sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta, sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta plus cot theta. Now, when I look at this question, it's pretty obvious that I need to take cos theta common from the numerator. So 1 minus 2 cos square theta on, and from the denominator I'll be taking sin theta as common. Sin theta upon 1 minus 2 sin square theta. For a while, what I'll be doing is I'll be ignoring this term. I'll be taking this term after a while. I'll be focusing on this term only. Manipulation of this term only. So now this one and this one, I will write this one as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Cos theta. I'll write this as cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 cos square theta on sin theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. So now you might ask, why did I do this? I did this because I can see some cos square and sin square here. So that is why I manipulated this one as cos square theta plus sin square theta. Now how does this benefit me? Let's see. So this is minus 2 cos square theta. This is plus cos square theta. So I'll have something like cos theta in sin square theta minus cos square theta whole upon, I see minus 2 sin square theta here plus sin square theta here. So sin theta upon cos square theta minus sin square theta. Now this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square, I know this is equal to a plus b. So cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta whole upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta multiplied by cos theta sin theta. Now if you look carefully, this sin theta plus cos theta, this sin theta plus cos theta will cancel with this cos theta plus sin theta. And again, if you look carefully, this term sin theta minus cos theta and cos theta minus sin theta are same. The only difference is the minus. So what I can do is I can take a negative out from the first term. So from this term, I'll take the negative out. I'll take a negative out and I'll write this term as cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta as it is. Cos theta minus sin theta. Why do I do that? Again, I see that cos theta minus sin theta cancels to minus cot theta. Now, if you look carefully and remember what I did in the beginning, this whole term has been reduced to minus cot theta. This is minus cot theta. This one is cot theta. Whole is equal to, which is right hand side. So again, an interesting question, and let's move to the next question.